Alright, it tells us to factor each binomial. A binomial, bi means 2, so there are 2 here, right? 1, 2. Completely over the real set of real numbers using the difference of squares method. I will teach you this last, but I'm always trying to find methods which students can keep using, so we want to keep using X box. Okay? So number 4. Class, what is half of 10? That is my 0. X to the 5th minus 81. Let's see if that fits into our X box now. A times C? 81. Negative 81. B value? 2 numbers. Negative 9 and positive 9. Now, if you have been doing this with me for a long time now, your A value is equal to 1, so all you need is just really the X. So I have minus 9 plus 9, and really, if you think about it, it's X to the 5th. Because X to the 5th times X to the 5th gives you X to the 10th. Multiplying the same base, you add the exponents. If you didn't see that, you can just put those into your box. And remember what that is doing, it's splitting that middle term here. So those are going to be X to the 5ths. And then I'm going to write the first term, X to the 10th, and then the negative 81. I'm just going to find the greatest common factor. Class, what's the greatest common factor? X to the 5th. How about here? Here? Positive 9, and here. And you can always multiply to check your answer, right? So this is my answer. Let me show you the shortcut. Now, I normally don't like showing students shortcuts because you have to be able to identify it correctly and not misapply it. Because once I show a shortcut, students are trying to use a shortcut, it only works in very specific cases. Okay? They have to have an A and a C value. There is no B value. There has to be a minus sign. It's going to go by so fast. You need to be able to take the square root of both of those. Class, the square root of 81. You're going to make one of these plus, or you're going to make one of those minuses. And the square root of 10, x to the 10th power, x to the 5th. So that's only when you can identify that it is a difference of squares problem.